Hi, hi students. This is Dr. Badrinath. In this video, we will see the National Malaria Control Program. Okay, in the movie of Robo, one mosquito bites the Aishwarya Rai. So immediately Rajnikant will go and immediately he will catch the mosquito, that mosquito. So he nicely controlled. That's why even the nation also, it fighting with the mosquitoes from a beginning. Since from 50 years back itself, it started fighting. Nation started fighting against the malaria, against the mosquito. If you conquer the mosquito, automatically you can control the malaria. That is a concept you have to hear. So this video is how the nation fights the malaria. How the malaria comes on, that and all is not part here. That is already completed. How the malaria is there, what are the sources, that and all not matter here. Whenever there was a question regarding National Malaria Control Program, you have to write only how the nation fights the malaria, what are the strategies, that's it. So everything is sweet and short. So we are studying a subject of social and preventive pharmacy, also called as a social and preventive medicine. Okay, it is important for all medical and paramedical, including MBBS also. Same syllabus for nursing, same syllabus. Lab technician, same syllabus. National Malaria Prevention Program. See here, the name, see here. What I have wrote is a National Malaria Control Program, but it is also called as a National Malaria Prevention Program. Control and both are same. There is no separate, this is not separate and that is not like that. Both are same only. Okay, so don't get confusion. What are the points I have covered in this class is a 5 plus 5 plus 5. That is a trick you have to remember. Otherwise, you might confuse how many objectives are there. 5 objectives here. Okay, how many national programs, very important national programs, how the nation fight, that is regarding to fight against the malaria. 5 programs are there. Aim and objective 5. Strategies to control the malaria is 5 strategies. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. So how he is running to kill the mosquito. India programs against the malaria. See, these all 5 are very, very important. Among the 5, you have to write in the examination. Total 5 you have to write, and you have to explain this one, National Malaria Control Program. That is only the important. But however, all the 5 list name you have to write in the examination. You can control the kill the mosquito. This is our nation. How the nation kills the mosquito. First one is National Malaria Control Program. Number 1. National Anti-Malarial Program against the malaria. Anti-malarial. National Malaria Eradication, completely removing eradication program. Enhanced Malaria Control Project. And urban, in the rural area, urban area. 2 are different. Urban malaria schemes. In the urban, in the city. Rural means that is a village. In the urban area, mosquitoes are high. What are the measures to control? However, almost all are same. Almost same, not exactly. Only important is NMCP is important. That only we will see. Yeah, NMCP, what are the aim and objectives? 5. Here also again 5. Here the target, aim and target is to kill, to shoot out the mosquito. To bring down the malaria transmission. Malaria will be transmitted parasite from human to the mosquito, mosquito to again one man, new man. Like that, it is a transmission is going on. The transmission they have to cut down. They cannot kill the humans. Only the thing is they have to kill the mosquito. That's it. Because both are the carriers. Man is carrier as well as mosquito is also carrier. So bring down, not make it zero. It is not possible. That's why to bring down malaria transmission from mosquito to man. Next is an achievement was to be maintained in each state to hold down each and every state to hold on, hold down the malaria transmission at low level. They have to maintain always malarial cases low level in each and every state, so that automatically entire nation will be at the low level only. Effective control of malaria to bring reduction in malaria morbidity, malarial deaths, malarial infection, serious infections of the malaria, it has to be reduced. Prevention of death due to the malaria. to control the malaria in urban areas. See here, urban areas, to reducing the vectors. Vector is nothing but mosquito here, because it is only carrier. These are the 5 points you have to write in the examination. You must. Now we will see strategies. 5 strategies are there. First one is early case detection. As early as possible, you have to detect the malaria from the patient. Otherwise, it will be very serious. Okay, so that immediately fever is there. Immediately the second day they have to, first day itself malaria you cannot be identified in the diagnostic center. 2 days, 2 days is the minimum. After 2 days only, then you can go on. That is better. Immediately next time it means it is not possible. Early case detection and prompt treatment. Immediately, promptly they have to give a treatment. So that is one of the strategy to control. Vector control, that is killing the mosquito. Here not killing the mosquito, here detection of the disease and also giving a treatment. That is one strategy. Second strategy is killing the vector, killing the mosquito, controlling the vector. Community participation, total community, and some 3 community bodies are there. That the community bodies has to be participate. They are taking the help of the NGOs, non-governmental organization, public participation, non-governmental organization participation. Next is environmental management. If you are maintaining the environment very clean and tidy, automatically mosquitoes will be reduced. All these points I will show you one by one in a sweet and short. Monitoring and evaluation of the program. This program, how it was running, where there was a hindrance. Okay, you have to go there and you have to rectify the mistake and you make it the program to continue. First one, early detection and prompt treatment. Main strategy, this is the main strategy among all the 5 strategies. Malaria to be detected as early as possible is the key to successful. Chloroquine is the main drug for the uncomplicated malaria. DDT, FTT have been established. That is very, 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 very important. What is a DDT? Drug Distribution Center. Fever treatment departments or departs. These are the 2 they have to establish. One is for the fever treatment. Another one is a drug distribution. In one center, they will give chloroquine. Another center, they will give the treatment. Okay, fever treatment for the fever. Okay, like that. See here, malaria test. They are doing as early, quick, very quick. And chloroquine also very quick. They have to give immediately after the confirmation. So, like that you can. Next is vector control. Vector control, how we are killing the mosquito. 3 types are there. First one is chemical control. In a chemical control, what happened? We are using the IRS sprays, indoor residual spray, like this. We are using the sprays. Okay, with insecticides. All these are the insecticides. So that we have to spray. That is a one chemically killing the mosquito. Use of a chemical larvicide like abate. See here, abate in potable water. In comfortable water we are taking, not drinking water. Potable means bathing water or washing the clothes, like that. Potable water. What we are using the water but not drinking. It is called a potable water. We can add the abate so that mosquitoes larva will be killed like this. See here, abate, very excellent. This name you have to mention in the examination. Aerosol space spray, aerosol, like this only. Okay, and malathion, fogging, no, fog will come. The government, municipal people will come and they will make a fogging of the mosquito. Malathion, that name is called as malathion. Very important. Vector control, how we are killing the mosquito. Chemical methods over. Biological control, killing of the mosquito using a larvicidal fish. See how he is giving a fish nicely here. Stock water is there surrounding your house. So mosquitoes will grow, mosquito larva will grow. In such a cases, what you have to do, you can add like this kerosene, diesel, naphthalene to the mud water. What is there in your house or surrounding and in the street or in the drainage, mainly drainage. Otherwise, what happens? Stock water, wherever water stocks, immediately the larva will start growing. So naphthalene, diesel bulb, so all these things you have. And use larva virus fish. When you give a fish, see these are the larvas. Larva. It grows on the surface of the water, not in the depth. Larva will grow on the surface of the water. So you can use a fish, 2 to 3 fishes. If you live in that water, it start eating of the mosquito, that larva. Okay. or you can use this method. And one is vector control, personal or individual prophylactic control. Prevention is better than cure. So mosquito bite is preventing here, like mosquito nets, use of mosquito coils, liquids, propellants, creams, Odomas cream, very popular. Odomas cream you can apply wherever you want. You can apply and you can go. No mosquito will come and bite you. Odomas, ODOMOS. Nowadays, roll-on also coming. Roll-on, all the roll-ons, liquids, coils, mats is better. No chemical, nothing is there. Mats, very better. Filtration process. Mosquito cannot filter inside. Okay. Screening of the houses with the wire mesh, like a windows, doors, whatever it may be. Use of a bed nets treated with the insecticides. Bed sheets, bedspreads, you have to use which are treated, washed with the insecticide. That is better. And wearing the cloths to cover the maximum, full shirt, no half shirt, full. Ladies also full hands. Okay, like that. And third strategy, community participation. These are the three. Government will take the NGOC here, NGOs, non-governmental organization. They have to collaborate with the. I will do this. You can do that. Like that, you can collaborate with the CIA. Here I have mentioned CIA. In your textbook, they have mentioned CIA. Here abbreviation is there. FICCI is there. ASSOCHAM is there. All these things you have to write in the examination. Public-private partnership, like that. This is. And environmental management, covering the containers. Wherever stocked water is there in your home, which are potable or whatever it may be, you have to cover it. In the drainage also, proper drainage cover must be there. Cleaning of the clogged drainage, like environment, surrounding of your house, your street, whatever it may. If you maintain proper covering of stored water, channelizing of the breeding sources channel, properly you have to channelize so that water drainage dust will go in proper way. Okay, see how he is removing the clogged particle with the help of this one. See, he removing. Here he is covering with the covering the container. All these things you have to keep in your mind. Okay. And finally, we came to the last slide. Monitoring and evaluation of the program. Who will monitor all this program is NIMR, National Institute of Malaria Research. They will monitor in all the state how the malaria cases are growing or reducing, what happening to the malaria program. Either they will give the prize also. Number 1, Telangana. Number 2, Andhra Pradesh. Like that. Monthly computerized management information system. Malaria cases, you have to upload. Each and every state they have to upload. Computerizing. Previous days it was not there. They are introducing computerized. Field visits. They are going by the state. State by state, national program officers, they will come to the state, each and every state, like this NIMR people. Okay, they will visit the field. Either it is practically really doing or only on the paper they are reporting, we do not have cases, we do not malaria cases, we do not have corona cases. Like simply some states they are not doing. Okay, simply they will write on the paper, no cases, like that. Some countries, some states. Feedback to states on the, and they have to take a feedback also, like this, loading all the cases monitored by the NIMR, all the states they will come. Okay, right, so that feel free. Okay, you kill a mosquito, feel free, and you check in my playlist, channel playlist. I have kept all videos in a subject wise. I have kept